Start with finishing back neck with the base tape. So secure with the pins and stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now trim the excess fabric and make a top stitch. To finish the back neck, we have to fold the base tape and have to give a edge stitch. But I want to combine both front and back panels, then finish the neck at the same time to get a neat and seamless kind of a finish. So attach front bodice panels to the back bodice, pin it in the place and take it to the sewing machine. Then stitch its shoulders and side seam with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, then overlock it. As you can see, I have finished the seams with the overlocking. Now finish the neck and bottom hem by folding. If you can see closely, at back I'm folding once and remaining all I'm folding twice with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. As you can see, fold it all over and stitch it, then press it. So first I'm stitching the back neck. And then you can see I'm folding twice at front, and I continue doing this front neck and top bottom hem. This is how it looks after pressing it. As you can see, the seamless kind of finishing at shoulder and the side seams. Now coming to the sleeve, trace all the notches which indicates front and back and stitch the side seams with the half-inch seam allowance and overlock it. With the largest stitch length, make 2 stitching lines at the sleeve head for making gathers. Now fold the sleeve hem 1/4 inch first, then 1/2 inch to insert the elastic. As you can see, I have already made one. Then insert the elastic and secure with a few stitches, then close the gap. Now pull the thread and insert the sleeve. Now the top is ready to wear. hope you like this pattern and the video instruction. So see you with the next pattern. Bye, stay safe and happy.